Alrighty, everyone, good morning. It is day 7, and it is a lovely Wednesday morning because I just got paid, baby. That TikTok paycheck just hit. It was about $85. I'll show everything on the screen. I'll show you the 2 payouts, the 2 different accounts that paid me out. But that's not important. We just got paid, so we got some more money to play with, about $112, which means it is time to start buying some stocks. Now, it's early. The market doesn't open for another about 45 minutes, but I'm actually going to add 2 or 3 tickers today. So I'm looking at my list just to see different companies that are about to pay out some dividends. And I'll explain kind of what I'm trying to do or what I'm trying to accomplish with today's short video. I guess we will go and put a little bit more into Coca-Cola, actually. As you can see, they are down for today. And that is because they're about to pay out dividends. So I think we bought at a good time. We're just going to continue. I think we bought at a pretty good time. I have to double check the exact day when we first bought to see if we're actually going to get dividends for this quarter or if we're going to have to wait till the next quarter. We will have to wait till the next quarter. Okay. Either way, not too important. This is going to be my first play of today. Put a little bit more into Coca-Cola. Actually, I think I'm going to put a little bit more into ExxonMobil as well. I have pretty high expectations with the way the market is going with oil and gas. I would definitely load up a little bit more into that. And I think the next company we are going to buy a little bit into should be everything's a little late. Let's see if we can find this one. These guys right here, dividend payers. We're going to put a little bit extra. We're going to put $12.71 into this one. Now, hopefully what I'm expecting with those 2 pending buy orders is they should be paying out dividends today. Okay, Air Products is tomorrow, so they'll probably drop tomorrow. But Coca-Cola should be paying out their dividend today. As you can see, the share price is dropping a little bit. So I'm just trying to take advantage of the share prices dropping because it is the dividend day. So when the company pays out dividends, you'll see the share price start to drop. Now, I don't expect it to be too substantial. It's up about 2% for the week. Maybe it just drops at 2%. I don't think I'm going to get a better buy price than I originally got. The 24th when I bought some shares of Coke. But either way, I was looking to buy a little bit more of Coke shares anyways, so it doesn't hurt. Especially with the type of portfolio and the goal of this portfolio. Most of the time you just want to put money in. You don't want to try and time the market. But that's kind of what I'm going to do with this company, EPD. Is kind of time them a little bit for being able to get it at a slightly better price. Since I have a smaller portfolio. So I want to kind of stretch every dollar I get because we won't be getting paid again till next month. So we have about $80 to stretch out for the remainder of the month if we can. If not, we'll just kind of do smaller portfolio updates instead of buying updates. But this is what we're looking at so far. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different companies right now in the dividend portfolio. Technically 6 till the buy orders complete. But this is the layout. So in about a month or 2, we should see some dividends coming through. and then we can kind of start tracking those. So I'll start another counter. I already have the cashback rewards from my Robinhood credit card on the screen. I'm going to add my paychecks from TikTok on the screen as well. And the next one I'm going to add is going to be our dividends once we start getting some dividend payouts. So that's kind of what we're looking at so far, 187.69. And with that being said, I'll see you guys at the end of the trading day.